This is my first time at IKEA, and I'm not gonna lie, they prices is off the hinges for some stuff up in here. No. 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 Some stuff they have what? First of all, it smell like mad feet up in here. It don't smell like refreshing. It smell like gym. Second of all, they just making up prices for all this stuff. Look, $2.75 for what? For some strings? Come on, man.
This is 99.
99 what? American USD? For this? $40. Hold on, man. I'm playing with me. Look at this right here. This is not $2.49. This is $100. That's it. Good. This right here, this might be worth $60 right here. This might be worth it. This might be worth it.
I like these for coffee.
Game on? Let's go in this room. Cool. Oh, nah, this the super duper gaming room, yo. This is what every kid in the universe want to come in and have his room look like. Cause I love my room like this if I was a kid. I never want to leave, y'all. Woo! I never want to leave, right, Wayne? Oh, look, good armrests. Ooh, this is nice. This is nice. Perfect gaming room. Got the little monsters on TV. You see the little monsters? Then you got different things for your setups for your thing. Somebody put the middle finger joint. Let me see. Oh yeah, they funny.